Hello, this is Mr. Mobility. A number of people have asked me this question, and it is an interesting one. They want to know if you can install iOS by Apple on an Android phone. We all know that Android is available from a number of manufacturers. There are scores of manufacturers making Android phones, from Samsung to Xiaomi to OnePlus to HMD to Google itself to Oppo to Techno. There are so many Android phone brands that it's going to take a little bit of compilation to list them all. Meanwhile, only one company, only one brand makes iOS powered devices, and that brand is Apple. So there are a number of people who want to eat their cake and have it. They love the hardware from Android, and they'd love to be able to install iOS in those devices. If you're one of those people, sorry guys, I have no good news for you. There is no way, as at today, absolutely no way to install iOS on Android. You simply can't. You can install simulator apps that will change the theme, the look of your Android user interface, the look of the apps to resemble iOS, right? There are a number of such apps in the Google Play Store, so that even though you're holding an Android phone, it looks like you are using an iPhone or a phone running iOS. That's about the best you can do right now. There is no way to install iOS on Android. You are not going to get Apple's App Store on your Android phone. You're not going to get iOS running on your Android phone. Apple has designed it in such a way that they are the only ones who can do that for now. Who knows? It may sound crazy right now, but in another 10 or 20 years, Apple might decide to open up iOS to third-party manufacturers, in which case you'll now have other manufacturers making phones running iOS. Yes, it may sound crazy now, but 5 years ago, 10 years ago, there were things we said Apple would never do, and they have done those things with their mobile operating system and with their iPhones and iPads. They have opened the platform up, made it more customizable and all that. So 10, 20 years, it's doable. It's possible. Don't give up hope. But right now, there's absolutely nothing you can do to install iOS on an Android phone. Run a search for iOS themes in Google Play Store if you really want your Android phone's user interface to look like that of an iPhone or to look like iOS. Yeah, you have a number of themes and apps like that that can do that for you. That's all you can do. Sorry, no iOS on Android for now. I hope that's helped clarify it. I'll see you in my next video.